Hi everyone! In today's easy tutorial, I'm going to show you how to upscale your image in Midjourney. Also, create new variations based on your last image you generate. Welcome to the channel. Let's dive into it. So on your Discord homepage, go to the left side menu and click on Midjourney server. And then select any of these newbie rooms. I'm going to select this one by clicking on it. And then I'm going to scroll down. Here I'm going to type slash imagine and then hit enter once, and then I'm going to write down my prompt and then hit enter. Let's use some movie magic so you don't have to wait. So here's your AI generated image. So let's say I'm going to upscale this kit. I'm going to simply click on U2. It goes like 1, 2, 3, and 4. Click on U2. And also, if you want to create variations based on this cat, simply click on V2. Let's click both of these and then go down below. So here's your upscaled image. And here you can see the variations based on your last image. And that's how to upscale your image and create new variations based on your last image you generate on Midjourney. If you found this video helpful, tap the like and subscribe buttons to help others find this video as well. Thank you for watching.